Amy Schumer decided to unload her feelings on President-elect Donald Trump. She posted this to Instagram, a photo of Trump from many years ago talking about one day running for office, and she captioned it with a very long message to all her fans. She said that first, the statement that she would move to London if Trump was elected was in jest, and anyone who's telling her to pack her bags is just as disgusting as anyone who voted for this racist, homophobe, openly disrespectful woman abuser. She added that she's grieving and that her heart is in a million pieces. She called the people who voted for Trump weak, and she praised Hillary as someone who dedicated her entire life to public service. She says to Trump backers that you got what you wanted and now you can watch the sky open up. Amy writes that she's furious and she cries for Hillary and all the smart people who love and who know what's right. On her next Instagram post, she said love to everyone hurting. Commenters still wrote they wanted to pack her bags and move to London. From famous and wealthy to the latest Belfie, come subscribe and like us to get the best celebrity news in the game.